In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Trello to Outlook step by step so you can sync your boards with your calendar and manage your tasks more efficiently. If you use Trello for project management and Outlook for scheduling, connecting the two can save you a lot of time and keep everything organized in one place. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important authorization steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Then navigate to your Boards page. From here, you'll see a list of all the boards connected to your account. Choose the specific board that you want to connect to Outlook and click on it to open it. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top area of the screen and find the Power-Ups option. Click on Power-Ups. This is where Trello allows you to extend the functionality of your board by integrating third-party tools and services. After clicking Power-Ups, select Add Power-Ups. This will open the Power-Ups Marketplace, where you can browse and search for available integrations. Now, click on the search bar and type in Outlook Calendar. As you type, you should see an option appear called Outlook Calendar for Trello by Krill Solutions. When you see it in the search results, click on it to open the Power-Up Details page. Next, click the Add button. Trello will then ask you to confirm that you want to enable this Power-Up for your board. Click Add again to confirm. If this is your first time using this Power-Up, a pop-up window may appear asking you to start a trial. Go ahead and click Start Trial to continue. This is required before you can fully activate and configure the integration. After starting the trial, you'll need to authorize Trello. In the pop-up window, click on Click to Authorize Trello. Another window will open asking you to grant permission. Scroll down if necessary and click Allow. This step connects the Power-Up securely to your Trello account. Once Trello authorization is complete, the next step is to authorize Outlook. Click on Click to Authorize Outlook. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Log in with the Outlook account you want to connect, then review the permissions being requested. These permissions allow Trello to access your Outlook calendar data so it can sync tasks and due dates. After reviewing, click Accept or Allow to complete the authorization. When both accounts are successfully authorized, the integration will activate. You should now see the Outlook Calendar Power-Up enabled on your Trello board. Depending on the configuration options available, you can now sync due dates, visualize tasks in your Outlook calendar, and improve your workflow by keeping projects and meetings aligned. Finally, confirm that the Power-Up is active by checking the board menu area. You may see new options related to Outlook integration. At this point, your Trello board is successfully connected to Outlook. And that's it. You've now added Trello to Outlook using the Outlook Calendar Power-Up. This integration is perfect for staying organized, keeping track of deadlines, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.